Hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We are here in Alexandria, Virginia. Second job of the day. We're having some pet issues. This is actually a repeat client of mine. And I actually started pre-spraying already, so some of the stains are actually disappearing right in front of our eyes here. But we're using probiotics. It's Beyond Green product here. And we're going to see how it does with this situation. First step is the client had already pre-vacuumed, so that's pretty good. If not, we would have done so. And then pre-spray. This is the hallway here. As you can see, some major pet stains. We're going to trust probiotics to do its job. It's a product that's considered beyond green. It cleans to a microscopic level. It uses smart technology. Not a lot of people are using this. Actually, there's only one company that I know that's using it, which is in South Carolina. And talk to the owners over there. They rave about it too. And then we got this area right here. Give you a reference point. Right. All right, let's get some work done. So this is essentially what probiotic is doing. No toxins, nothing. With enough dwell time, you can see what it's doing. And sir, remember the first time I came over and serviced you? You said one thing that strikes me. You said the carpet stayed clean for a very long time, correct?
Correct.
All right, good. Good. Sometimes there's cleaning procedures that after the carpet's clean, spots come back, especially in your particular situation, with the pet stains and whatnot. So none of that stuff resurfaced, and this is all new stuff, correct?
That's correct.
All right, good to go. How do you think we're doing so far?
Looking good.
All right. All right, guys. I just want to show you. Let's take care of this part real quick before we turn off the camera, because this is really good. This will be a really good video. And all this stuff is urine, correct?
The best of my knowledge.
Yeah. Okay. Alright guys, well thank you for viewing. We'll catch you guys later. Alright, so we just finished over here in Alexandria. Have the client's response. She's beside herself.
Oh my God!
I really love this response.
He's gonna check
Oh,
it out too.
yeah.
What do you think, Rocco?
This is the main reason why I was called out, Rocco.
Yeah, Rocco. What do you think? No more tinkling in here.
Right.
Oh my God!
So do you like the service?
Love the service.
Love the service, he says. But you have to say it was riddled with pet stains around here, wasn't it?
Oh my God! It's a brand new carpet.
I love this response. This is really great.
Woo.
Let me go back in this room real quick.
Oh my God, Mark, this is amazing. I feel like I won the lottery.
She said I felt like I won the lottery.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Say that again? You felt like
I
what?
feel like I won the lottery.
Oh, this is so amazing.
Oh
I
my
love this
God.
feedback.
You like it too, don't you, Rocco?
And what about the smell? Do you smell anything? Nothing, right?
Oh my God.
And I did the old-fashioned nose to the carpet test, and literally nothing. No odor, anything. This is what the power probiotic is all about. So
Oh my God, you even got your knees are wet.
Oh yeah, I was doing the stairs. That was the last thing I did. Remember, this was like the worst area. There
it
was like
horrible. Worse, I mean, I thought it could never be cleaned. Oh,
Mark,
Lord.
I love your wife.
Yeah.
This is $1 million commercial right here.
Now, don't you even think about cocking that leg.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, you can jump on his, but don't pee on it either.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for inviting me over again. This is actually the second time we've been here.
Yes, but
and
this is the best.
yeah,
Oh my God.
Mark, I told you, right? This and I rightfully admitted it. I'm like, this is probably the best we've done your carpets, and honestly, it's because we're now using probiotics exclusively. This is cleaning to the microscopic level. I don't know if it means anything to you, but your carpets are gonna be literally it's sterile. It's sterile now. It's sterile.
Oh my God.
All right.
I love it, Henry. Thank you. Thank you.
All
Oh my
right, guys.
God.
Ooh, I can't get enough of this. I can just let her keep going, Mark. I can just let her keep going. I love this. You know, we carpet cleaners, we love reviews like this or feedbacks. This is amazing.
It is. It's like you laid a brand new carpet.
You guys hear that, right? And it was
It was
riddled,
horrible.
riddled with pet stains.
I didn't want nobody in my house. Now I'm going to invite the whole neighborhood.
Please. And it smells so great too. I mean, there's no odor, nothing.
No, nothing.
Nothing. There's no artificial fragrance.
No.
You know, so this is really a true clean.
Oh my God.
All right, guys. She's besides herself.
No,
I'm super excited.
I'm not speechless. Usually I'm speechless.
Right.
I'm speechless.
This is just conviction. She's letting you guys know.
I love it.
All right, good to go. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Facebook. Thank you, YouTube.